Hello! I'm Genoveva from Atitlan Herbals, and today I'm going to show you how to make magic. Apple vinegar. Because I'm a goddess. It's apple season, and you know what we're gonna make today? Apple vinegar. Yep, that's what we're making today. So the recipe is really simple and anyone can make it. So I'm gonna show you today how I make apples with these delicious apples from Chi-Chi. So first step, we're gonna need the recipe. We need 1 liter of water. You need a wide mouth jar, and I only have this jar, but that's gonna work. And for 1 liter of water, for each liter of water that you use, you're gonna need half a cup of sugar. I'm gonna use brown organic sugar. Well, this is molasses, not sugar. And you're gonna need 4 apples for 1 liter. The more apples you get, the more tasty it's gonna be. Okay, first we're gonna dilute the sugar in the water because otherwise it's gonna be too difficult. So there it goes. Now I'm gonna mix this one in together. Whatever jar you choose, try to have a jar that has enough room so you want your water to be at the most halfway through, because then when you're gonna fill it up, you want air to be in it, because air is what helps the fermentation process. So there we go. And now we're gonna add our apples. Now we can add our apples. This is my recipe and this is how I've been making it, and it's really simple. You see the apples, you're gonna chop them and you add everything in. And this is a perfect time to doing it because I make this once a year and I get enough vinegar for my whole year. This year I even gave some away to friends and family. So there we go. You want to chop small pieces. I have these apples that I've had there for a while now. So I just wanted to show you how to use old apples too, because sometimes you might be having that. And if you see there's any black parts in the apples, you don't want to put that. The rest, it's all perfectly fine. There we go. So you see, you can still put your spoon and stir around. And that's it. This is the first process, the first part of the process of making apple vinegar. For best results, you have to talk to your vinegar. I love you, my vinegar. I love you so much. I'm gonna use a cloth and you're gonna cover it with a little rubber band like this one here. And you're gonna mix it. You're gonna just come and mix it up together 1 or 3 times a day, however many times you remember. The important thing is that you mix it up at least once a day. This one, you wanna keep it in a dark place away from sunlight. And that's it. You're gonna let it sit like this for 10 days. And then we're gonna go to part B. I'm gonna show you here. This is pretty cool. You smell that? Yeah, this one is ready to filter. It's been 10 days. And I'm gonna filter this and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the next step. And this is the first fermentation process. I'm gonna let it sit here and you're gonna sing to it. With my ceremonial paleta, I'm gonna remove my apple scraps.
Mama, I don't remember.
Squeeze it with my bare hands.
I took a photo.
Come on, kitty.
And I took a photo.
Now we're gonna finish. This is the easiest part. And if you have some apple vinegar that you made before, you can use that. You can also buy some that is non-pasteurized, that it has the mother in it. You just need like real natural apple vinegar. And you can start your batch just with that. I did that the first time I did it. That was 3 years ago. And now, because I have my apple vinegar, I always store a bottle that I'm gonna use to make it go faster and ferment faster. But I'm still gonna let it sit for 4 weeks. So that's one of the options. The other option is if you don't have apple vinegar, because sometimes you might not have it at home, you can just add a mother. And because I'm making apple vinegar all the time, I store my mother in the fridge. And this mother has been going for 3 years now. And the best is to use both of them. That will give you the best flavor in your vinegar. So today I'm gonna use them both. But if you don't have them, don't worry. Just cover it up and let it sit for 4 weeks in a dark place, and you'll still get vinegar. You'll start seeing the mother form on top like on mine did. I was a bit worried because I didn't see anything coming, but it does. So today I'm just gonna add half. This would be a cup of apple vinegar to this. The proportion is 1 part apple vinegar, 4 parts of water. Yeah, 1 to 4. So there. And this will get it going. I am going to use my mother because I love this mother. It gives me really nice vinegar. And it's kind of broken, but it will fix itself once it's inside there. So I just let it go in there. My broken mother. Add the juice that I was saving it in because it's vinegar. And there it goes. You'll see it in a few days. It will start floating, and there you go. You have your vinegar. You cover up. This is an aerobic fermentation, and that's it. You have your apple vinegar. Super easy to make. So thank you for watching. If you want to learn more recipes, and we'll make more stuff with this vinegar once it's made, keep watching. Follow us, subscribe, like, share. Thank you. Next time. Bye.